Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to throw this video up real quick to show you guys what LongShot Manufacturing sent me. These parts are for the high point rifles, high point carbines, however you say it. Again, this is from LongShot Manufacturing. They are located in New Jersey. Everything's made in-house, American made. That's some of the stuff they offer. So like I said, everything right here is for the high point rifles. This is actually for my high point 995 TS. They make all kinds of stuff for those guns. They also make some stuff for AR platforms and a few other weapons. Go check them out. But specifically for the high points, I believe that they make pretty much more accessories and parts for them than any other manufacturer, at least that I've seen. You can see some of the things they make here. They make barrel shrouds, they make upper rails, lower rails, oversized charging handles, mag bumpers. This isn't even all they offer. Check out their website to see everything else that they have. Their upper rails, they make anywhere from these 10 or 11 inch ones clear up to 20 inch that covers the whole length of the gun. Have the oversized charging handles, they make them in different styles, and same thing with the barrel shrouds. You can get different styles of those. Everything comes with instructions, so that's nice. And their lower rail, I guess this is brand new from them. I don't know if you can see that kind of zigzag design in the rail. Okay, so what he was telling me was that this Picatinny lower rail here, obviously it'll accept anything that's Picatinny, but that design they got on there, it's brand new. The way it's designed, it will actually accept M-lock accessories or key mold accessories. And then also you don't need the little locking cams, because all these holes are drilled to accept the screws, and you don't need the little cam key that you would normally need with the M-lock or key lock accessories, key mold. So that thing's pretty cool. You can basically put any kind of system on there you want. M-lock, key mold, pick, it doesn't matter. It'll take them all. That's brand new from them, and it's probably what I'm going to check out first, because it's basically you can put any kind of foregrip or anything on there that you would put on an AR-15. It'll allow you to put it on your high point, because it'll accept any system. So anyways, this is a real quick video to show you what they sent me. So I'll be making individuals, checking each one of these things out. So again, big thanks to LongShot for sending me all this. We'll be posting up a review of these parts and accessories here and there throughout the coming weeks and months. So if you have one of those high point carbines, make sure you go and check out their website, because they have all kinds of stuff for it. And subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and you'll see when a video pops up for each one of these things here as I put them on the gun.